Hi guys, today we're going to read the book that is called Santa's Toy Shop because Christmas is very soon. Let's read this fun book together. Way up north in the land of ice and snow stands a little house. Santa lives there. Look at this mailbox. It says S. Claus. Mrs. Claus and the elves live there too. They all work in a toy shop. They make dolls. Wow, look at this. And trains and games. Yes, they do all this work for the children. The happy little Christmas elves are busy all year long making and trying out toys. Santa is the busiest of all. Wow. Santa never has time to play with the toys. Oh no, he's been reading all mail. That's why he doesn't have time. Soon it is Christmas Eve, and Santa Claus still hasn't played with a single toy. I hope he will play. Mrs. Claus whispers something into Santa's ear. Wonderful idea! The reindeer hear Santa say. All night long and around the world they fly. Finally, Santa Claus reaches the very last house on his list. He turns on the Christmas tree lights. He finds a plate of cookies and a glass of milk. Then he unpacks the toys, but he does not hustle away. He puts together the new train set and sends it speeding around the track. He flies the model airplane around the Christmas tree. After Santa tries out every Christmas toy, back home he flies. I did as you suggested and stopped at the last house, Santa tells Mrs. Claus. Do you think he might pick your house to stop at this year? Wow, what a nice book! Thank you guys for reading with me. See you all next time. Bye-bye.